The Jobs Workbook contains column, bar, pie, and combo charts that you created. The charts have the default settings, including the chart title placeholder and default colors. You want to improve the readability of these charts. You do this by entering titles that describe the entire chart and the axes, formatting the titles so that they stand out, adding data labels to provide clear interpretation of the chart, and changing fill colors for better contrast. Your first task is to replace the chart title placeholders with descriptive titles for the three charts. To enter a chart title, select the chart title placeholder and type the desired text in the formula bar. For the combo chart, you enter a title to specify the type of data and the year. You can format chart titles by applying bold and changing the font color. You want to replace the chart title placeholder for the pie chart, changing the font size and changing the font color for the chart title. The title for the column chart is Number of Computer-Related Jobs 2010 and 2020. You increase the font size, apply bold to emphasize this title, and change the font color to black text 1 so that it stands out better. Finally, you replace the chart title for the bar chart with Projected Number of Jobs by 2020. You apply bold and change the font size for this chart too. For the charts on individual chart sheets, you used a larger font size. For a chart located on a regular worksheet with data, the chart font size can be smaller. For this chart, you applied dark blue font color to match the font color of the worksheet title. 3 buttons display on the right side of a chart when you select a chart. The top button, which looks like a plus sign, is called Chart Elements. Use it to display or hide chart elements, such as axis titles. You select the primary vertical option to display the primary vertical axis title on the left side of the axis. You change the default axis title to Job Titles to describe that axis. After editing the axis title, you may want to apply font attributes, such as a font color. A fast way to display the desired chart elements options in the task pane is to double-click the element, such as double-clicking the values on the horizontal axis. You use the Format Axis task pane to format the selected axis. The horizontal axis values no longer display the comma and 3 zeros. Instead, the word thousands displays below the horizontal axis values to indicate the unit of measurement. Applying a font color makes the word thousands stand out. The pie chart includes a legend to identify which color represents which job. Unlike a column or bar chart that includes a value axis to help identify approximate values for a data point, a pie chart does not display any values by default. However, you want to display numerical data labels that specify the percentage for each job. Value data labels display in the center of the pie slices. When you right-click a data label and select Format Data Labels, the Format Data Labels task pane displays. To conform with best practices, you display the percentage data labels and hide the value data labels. Finally, you enlarge the data labels so that they are easier to read. Use the Fill options to change the color of a data series, such as a pie slice or column. You can also apply textures and gradient colors to the chart and plot area backgrounds. You apply the blue tissue paper fill effect to the chart area to add a visually pleasing background to surround the pie chart. The first click selects the entire pie, After pausing, click the orange slice again to select just that slice so that you can change its fill color. You change the color of the Software App Developer slice from orange to dark red to brighten up the colors used in the pie chart. You want to emphasize the largest slice by exploding it, or separating it slightly from the rest of the pie. You can drag the slice away from the pie to explode it, or use the Point Explosion option in the task pane. It was hard to read the 6% data label for the Database Administrator slice, so you changed it to Orange Accent 2. Excel provides a lot of features to help you enhance charts. You can apply basic font, size, and color settings to titles and labels. The Chart Elements menu enables you to display or hide chart elements, such as axis titles and data labels. Based on what element you select, the task pane changes to provide a variety of options to format that particular element, such as applying fill colors, textures, and gradients to the chart area and a particular data series.